already explained you the first half of the chapter. Now I am going to explain you the latter part of the chapter. So let's start from where we have left. We'll start from this page, first paragraph. Let's read first and then I will explain you paragraph wise. When they had finished, Tricky took a look, walked around the shining bowls, licking casually. Licking means pass the tongue over in order to taste or moisten or clean it. चाटने को licking बोलते हैं. Next day, an extra ball was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards. Jostling means pushing elbow or bump against someone roughly, typically in a crowd. का मतलब इस jostling का मतलब होता है किसी को elbow या फिर अपने बम से पुश करना किसी को रफली, उसको हम बोलते हैं jostling. It from then on his progress was rapid. Rapid means fast. He had no medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. Scrimmages means a confused struggle or fight को हम scrimmages बोलते हैं. He discovered the joy of being bowled over, tramped on. Trampled मतलब होता है tread on the crush. मतलब जैसे होता है ना, ये लोग scrimmages मतलब होता है कि ये लोग फाइट कर रहे थे, स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे, लड़ रहे थे खेलते खेलते, उसमें कोई क्रश हो रहा था. someone is trampled. Okay, and squashed every few minutes. Squashed means flat, soft or out of shape as a result of being crushed or squeezed with force. तो जब सब crowd में खेलते हैं तो anyone was getting trampled, that is meaning crushed or squashed. Squashed means squeezed with force in the crowd. Okay, let's read further. He became an accepted member of the gang, an unlikely, silky little object among the shaggy crew. Shaggy means long, thick and unkempt. तो वो जो ट्रिकी था वो बहुत छोटा सा, बहुत ही सॉफ्ट और टेंडर सा था, और वो बहुत जल्दी मेंबर बन गया था इस शैगी ग्रुप का. शैगी मीन्स लॉन्ग, थिक. जो डॉग्स थे उनका मेंबर बन चुका था वो. ओके. Like a tiger, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at nights. He had never had such a time in his life. So this paragraph means that when everyone finished their food, Tricky went around looking at the shining bowls and also licked a few bowls. So जब सबने अपना फूड डिनर टाइम पे ख़त्म कर लिया तो वो उसने एक राउंड लिया सबके शाइनिंग बोल्स को देखते हुए, और कुछ लिक भी कर लिए. The very next day, an extra bowl was put for him and the narrator was happy to see him running towards his bowl. So एक एक्स्ट्रा बाउल उसके लिए रखा गया बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी इल. वो अब बिल्कुल भी उसने सब कुछ खाना छोड़ दिया था. सो उसको धीरे धीरे उसको हैबिट्स दिलाई जा रही थी. सो अब उसको नेक्स्ट डे एक एक्स्ट्रा बाउल मिला एंड द नरेटर वॉज वेरी हैप्पी टू सी दैट ही इज़ रनिंग टूवर्ड्स हिज बाउल टू गेट दैट बाउल. Then he started getting better, really quick. Now अब वो जल्दी सही हो रहा था. He did not require any medicines and started playing with the other dogs the whole day. They also used to play with each other, bump into each other, walk over each other and squash each other. As I've told you कि कभी कोई squash हो रहा था, कोई bump हो रहा था, कोई crush हो रहा था, तो सब अपने पूरी crowd में सब अपने टीम as a team खेल रहे थे. All of the other dogs accepted him as the family member, although he was very different from others, as he was very well taken care of by his owner and the others were not. तो जो वो था उसकी ओनर बहुत रिच थी. उसकी वजह से उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से उसका ख्याल रखा हुआ था, बहुत ही स्मूथ सिल्की हेयर्स। बट अदर जो थे डॉग्स वो थोड़े शैगी थे, थिक थे, लॉन्ग हेयर्स हैं जिनके, ऐसे थे वो लोग। ओके, he also used to fight for his meals with his fellow dogs who were much larger in size than him. At night he would hunt rats in the hen house. He was enjoying as he had never done such things before. So he had never done these things before, so he was enjoying with this. The teams of dog became a family, and he became the part of the family. Okay, let's read further. The next paragraph says, all the while Mrs. Pampery hovered anxiously in the background. Okay, hovered means remain poised, uncertain in one place or between two states. Okay, so she was very poised, she remained uncertain at one place, उन्हें मन नहीं लगता था हर जगह पे. She was very anxious, feeling or showing worry को हम anxious बोलते हैं. ठीक है, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. Bulletins is a short official statement or broadcast summary of news. जब पहले के टाइम पे फ़ोन्स नहीं होते थे, कुछ नहीं होता, तो बुलेटिन्स होते थे जो शॉर्ट ऑफिशियल नोटिस जिस पे चिपका दिया जाता था. ओके, एंड डजन मीन्स 12 इन नंबर. ओके, I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather, but I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly. Okay, convalescing means he is recovering. Recover one's health and strength over a period of time after illness or medical treatment. That is known as convalescing. Rapidly means fast. The word convalescing means to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. She started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's health. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibility of this situation began to dawn on the household. It was to enrich Tricky's blood. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meals. Okay, so this paragraph means that all this while Mrs. Pumphrey used to call more than 12 times a day to inquire about Tricky. So वो इतना ज़्यादा worried थी, इतना anxious थी कि वो बार बार कॉल करती रहती थी डॉक्टर को टू इंक्वायर कि ट्रिकी की हेल्थ कैसी है. मिस्टर हिरियोइड यूज्ड टू अवॉइड क्वेश्चंस अबाउट द कोट्स, बेड्स एक्सेट्रा. जो वो पूछती थी कि उसका बेड ठीक से लगा कि नहीं लगा, उसको कौन सा कोट पहनाया है, तो ये सब डॉक्टर अवॉइड करते थे. बट ही टोल्ड हर दैट ट्रिकी वॉज डूइंग वेरी गुड एंड वॉज रिकवरिंग वेरी फास्ट. ओके, बट Pumphrey wanted Tricky to recover fast. तो मिसेस Pumphrey चाहती थी कि बहुत जल्दी उनका डॉग रिकवर कर जाए. शी स्टार्टेड सेंडिंग 2 dozen eggs every day. 2 dozen means 24 eggs for a little dog every day. But Mr. Heroid and his partners would have 2 eggs each for breakfast. So जो वो ट्रिकी के लिए भेजती थी वो ट्रिकी को नहीं खिलाया जाता था, डॉक्टर्स उसे खा लेते थे. क्यों? क्योंकि डॉक्टर ने, मिस्टर हेरोइड ने बहुत बार मिसेस पैम्परी को समझाने की कोशिश करी कि इतना नहीं खिलाना है उसको, ओवर एक्सेसिव नहीं खिलाना है, बट मिसेस पैम्परी मानी ही नहीं. अब डॉक्टर उसे यहाँ पर क्यों लाए थे, हॉस्पिटलाइज क्यों किया था, जिससे कि उसे और डॉग्स की तरह उसको वो इन्वायरमेंट मिले और वो सही हो जाए, उसको समझ में आ जाए कि उसको कब अपनी बॉडी को कंट्रोल करना है. जब उसका स्टमक फुल है तब उसको अपनी ग्रीड कैसे कंट्रोल करनी है. ओके, सो दे वर अवॉइडिंग सच थिंग्स विच वर which were given by Mrs. Pumphrey, and instead of giving it to Tricky, they ate 2 eggs each for breakfast. Then, to improve the quality of blood, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending bottles of wine. Such a lady that she is sending bottles of wine for a small dog. So what happened then? It became Mr. Heroid's habit to have 2 glasses of wine before lunch and a few along with it. तो जो भी दिया जाता था मिसेस पंपरी ने, वो कभी भी ट्रिकी तक तो नहीं पहुंचता था. तो वो जो तब जब वाइन्स आना स्टार्ट हो गई घर से कि 2 बॉटल्स ऑफ वाइन्स डेली आ रही हैं, तब मिस्टर हीरोइड की हैबिट बन गई कि वो 2 ग्लास ऑफ वाइन लंच के पहले पीते और बहुत सारी उसके साथ साथ पी जाते हैं. Okay, let's read the next paragraph. We could have hardly believed it when Brandy came to put in final edge on Tricky's constitution. Okay? For a few nights, the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled, and reverently drunk. सो ब्रांडी मतलब क्या होता है? और स्ट्रॉन्ग अल्कोहलिक स्पिरिट, जो वाइन होती है जिसमें जो बहुत ज़्यादा हार्मफुल होती है हमारी बॉडी के लिए. तो वाइन की एक ब्रांड आती है, उसको हम ब्रांडी बोलते हैं, जो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग अल्कोहल होता है. ठीक है. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है यहाँ पर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का मतलब है द कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ समथिंग. ठीक है. फॉर अ फ्यू नाइट्स द फाइन स्पिरिट वॉज रोल्ड अराउंड, इनहेल्ड एंड रेवरेंटली ड्रंक. Reverently means with deep respect to Mrs. Pumphrey, Mr. Heroid drinks that. There were days of deep content, starting with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained with the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. It was a temptation. Temptation means desire to have something. It was an attraction to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest. But I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone. Compelled means forced. To phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. Awaiting means wait for. Okay, so what happened? Mrs. Pumphrey started sending brandy. Now brandy is very costly, but she sends it for Tricky, but it never reaches to Tricky. वो जितनी भी थी वो बीच में सब डॉक्टर्स और मिस्टर जो थे वो पी जाते थे, right? So at that time, Mr. Heroid was not able to believe that Mrs. Pumphrey actually wanted them to give brandy to Tricky. So Mr. Heroid को ये believe ही नहीं होता था कि वो actually ये चाहती हैं Mrs. Pumphrey कि वो एक brandy Tricky को पिलाएं, जो कि alcoholic है. They shared it amongst themselves. तो वो सब अपने जितने भी उनके assistants थे, doctors थे, वो सब अपना साथ में पी जाते थे. Some days Mr. Heroid used to feel very happy as he would start his day with extra eggs, then he would have a few glasses of wine in the afternoon, and then ending the day with brandy in the evening. तो Mr. Heroid को अच्छा लगने लगा. He started feeling very good कि डेज़ में उन्हें एक्स्ट्रा एग्स मिल जाते हैं, फिर लंच से पहले उन्हें फ्यू ग्लासेस ऑफ वाइन मिल जाते हैं, और फिर उसके बाद ब्रांडी मिल जाती है इवनिंग में, एंड दैट्स फॉर फ्री, टोटली फ्री. Because of all the things that were being sent for Tricky, Mr. Heroid was really tempted to keep him as a permanent guest at the surgery. So, जो हॉस्पिटल था उसको यहाँ पे सर्जरी बोला गया. So, अब उसे क्या लग रहा है? उन्हें टेम्पटेशन होने लगी, उन्हें अट्रैक्शन होने लगा, विच इज़ नॉट वेरी वाइज, कि अब इसको ट्रिकी को यहाँ पे एक परमानेंट गेस्ट की तरह रख लेता हूँ, जिससे कि मुझे सारी चीज़ें हमेशा मिलती रहें. But he really wanted that Tricky should stay with them forever. But then he realized that Mrs. Pumphrey who was like a mother to Tricky, was really suffering and really wanted Tricky to come back soon. So जब वो सच में चाहते थे कि वो ट्रिकी को यहीं एज अ परमानेंटली रख लें, बट जब उन्होंने रियलाइज़ किया कि मिसेस पम्परी उसके लिए एक एज अ मदर है और वो सफ़र कर रही है इतना पेन से फॉर बिकॉज शी इज़ सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम ट्रिकी, सो शी रियलाइज्ड इट सून एंड वांटेड ट्रिकी टू go back. Okay, after 15 days Tricky was ready to go back home and Mr. Heroid called up Mrs. Pumpery to come pick him up. Okay, let's read further what happened. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. The chauffeur opened the door and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumpery, almost lost in the interior. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Heroid, do tell me the truth. Is he really better?" Okay, so gleaming मतलब होता है reflecting light. And chauffeur, a person employed to drive a private or hired car. जो ड्राइवर होता है उसका सिनोनिम होता है एक तरीके से chauffeur. CHAUFFEUR. Clasped मतलब होता है tightly grasp. तो टाइटली उन्होंने अपने दोनों हाथ पकड़े हुए थे मिसेस पम्परी ने. Trembled means shaking due to anxiety or fear or excitement. It can be anything. Okay, so what happens that when as soon as the doctor called Mrs. Pumpery to come and pick Tricky as he is fine, within few minutes a long black car came outside. When the chauffeur, that is driver, opened the door, Mrs. Pumpery was sitting inside, really nervous and well as excited. She was asking with the nervousness in her voice that was Tricky really better, to which the doctor replied positively. Then Mr. Heroid went inside to get Tricky. Okay, so I'm ending this video here only. I'll explain you the last part of the chapter in the next video. I want you to go through the whole chapter, read the chapter once and do the word meanings and difficult words. Thank you.